Hey guys, I'm showing you this Yciuse under sink organizer and storage. So you can use this in the kitchen or as well as in the bathroom. This is a two-tier bathroom kitchen organization and storage. So I will just install it so you can see. This also comes with the hooks, hanging cups and other dividers. So these are the parts for assembly. First you need to make these two brackets in it. This is the manual that explains everything. So yeah, you have to put these two pieces along with this middle part so that you can hook it. There are like three keys like this, so adjust it so that you can make the frame. So the lower part is like movable, that you can take out that shelf, and then on the side rods so that you can put in the other shelf on top of it to make it two tier. And put the hooks so that it will not move. And the stop breaker at the bottom, and then the hooks. So you have to be careful like these hooks, that this goes like in one side. So once the hook and then the additional hooks you can put it on the top of it. And these are the two cups on the side that you can put. So it's a nice thing that you can see, waterproof, and then all easy to clean and use. You can use both in the kitchen as well as in the bathroom, so it all depends on your usage. I'm just putting in some biscuit things just to show you the size and stuff. And basically it's a nice one to hold all in the cups and the hooks for the things, and basically nice to use.